Welcome back now to Saturday's Sports Special. Now, veteran referee Wilver Glenn Lamey is dead. Lamey collapsed while officiating the Kingston and St Andrew Business House Football Association semi-final between Metro Dade and Seprod at Alpha Institute today. Players and support staff noticed the referee had collapsed and tried to attend to the veteran official. President of the Business House Football Association, that's the Kingston and St Andrew Business House Football Association, Wayne Shaw, was on hand and spoke to TVJ Sports immediately after Lamey was taken to the Kingston Public Hospital.
In the game, Mr. Lamey, he went down. Nobody touched him or anything. So we rushed on the field. He was breathing, but by the time the vehicle to carry him to the hospital, to me, he appears as if he's not breathing. So I'm very concerned. Well, this game is off. We have to call off this semi-final. There's another semi-final at Conton Spring, but we have to call off this game. As I said, some of the players from both teams have accompanied him to the hospital.
Lamey, who was 48 years old, officiated in several matches across the island, including the ISA Schoolboy Football Competition and the Jamaica Premier League.